Hi, my name is Ashish, and in this video, we will see what is Google Cloud Policy Troubleshooter. So let me just log on to the Google Cloud Platform console and take it from there. I am logged on to the console and I am inside my project, and under IAM, I see Policy Troubleshooter. So what Policy Troubleshooter will help us to and the fields and to check if the API call will grant the principal access to a resource or not. Let's say I add my BusyButFit ID, my account, busybutfit at gmail.com. So let's say I'm gonna go with the default Google Compute API permissions. I'm gonna select the default permission. I'm gonna check the API call. I'm gonna get these are the errors. It says access denied for API call for busybutfit at gmail.com for this access, and these are the access which are not allowed. So the rules: container service agent, service engine reboot, IAM, gserviceaccount.com. Permission is in role this, and this is missing. And if I am the permission of the owner role is here, so I have to have the access given to the specific accounts if I want to enable the API, any specific API for this resource. So if your API is not working under the context of any account that you have added into your IAM, you can come to Policy Troubleshooter and mention the name of your user account and check for the specific APIs that will run. I hope you liked this video. I'm gonna see you guys in another videos as well. If you have any queries, please mention them in the comment section. Until next time, have a good day ahead. Bye bye.